wonderful places I've been in nature. And remember, nature makes me happy. Bye, Miss Cat. Hi, Mrs. Cat. In nature, I feel happy.
Hi, Mrs. Cat. In nature, I feel like spring's coming and I love Who Was Book.
Hi, Mrs. Cat. In nature, I smell new food. Hi, Mrs. Cat. Food is so good. Oh, I also smell garbage somewhere. Where is it?
Hi, Miss Cat. Don't worry, I've been reading a lot of science and history books, so I'd like to tell you some facts about science. I have one other history books over here, but I'm just going to tell you the science ones because you're a science teacher. First one is Albert Einstein. He led to the theory, his discoveries led to the theory E equals mc squared.
Happy Easter morning! Look at that! The blossoms on the maple trees have just come out. Amazing! Listen to those cardinals.